Okay, so I'm going to try this experiment that I saw on another YouTube channel about propagating basil. I have some sweet basil here, and according to the directions, you cut them underneath this node here. Can you zoom in, or actually just bring it closer to my hand? There we go. So I don't know if you can see, like right here, these come out. So you're going to cut it right underneath there. Try not to cut the other plants in the process. And then you're going to snip off the bottom leaves. Like that. I remember him saying that you needed 4 leaves on top, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to cut off these also. And then you put them in water. That's 1. And then we're going to do this one. And cut off those bottom leaves. And we'll put that in there. I've got extra cups. And then we'll do this other tall one right here. We'll cut off those leaves. This one's a little bit more mature, I think, but cut those off up there. And we'll put that one in there. So these stalks do have some little leaves down at the bottom. Now they have more light that will go to them, so they may still grow. And the other leaves I'm going to leave untouched so they can come up more. And then we can do the same thing with them. And you see by these leaves right here that I actually have a good amount of leaves that I can use in a recipe or something. Or I'll just dry them out and use them as a dried herb for recipes. Okay, so I'm going to take these 3, and we're going to move these right over to here. I have a grow light set up, and just going to add the original plant here also. There we go. I've got this little whiteboard to help reflect some of that white light back to the plant. Okay, so this is day 1. It is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2019. And as soon as I have something different to show, I will post it. Again, if you like my channel, please like it and or subscribe to it so that you get updates when I have new progress to show you. Thank you.